living in the era of smartphones. Communication has never been so easy. With social media, we are always connected to our friends and millions of other people. We can easily change messages, get all sorts of notifications, and share information like text, pictures, and videos. Mobile phone provide us with faster, more efficient ways to communicate with others. But it can also harm our ability to communicate with people face to face. Smartphone's notification can impair our concentration, even being short in duration. They cause enough of distraction to affect your ability to focus on given task, decreasing your performance by promoting a task, irrelevant thoughts, and mind wandering. Face-to-face communication among people is being squashed out by social networks. A phone call is not used to get in touch with someone anymore. They become a staple of our society, with everyone, even elementary school kids. It became a new type of addiction for the recent generation. Mobile screens is fixed in our hands most of the time, even at night before going to bed. The question is, have you ever thought about the effect of these radiations on your brain neurons? A study was done on newborn mice. They used two separate groups. The experimental group, which was exposed to 2G mobile phone radiations for 30 to 180 days, and the control group had no exposure to phone radiation. The main focus was on the hippocampus. The hippocampus is located in the middle temporal lobe of the brain. The word hippocampus comes from the Greek word which means seahorse, because it resembles the shape of the seahorse. The hippocampus is a part of larger structure in the temporal lobe, called the hippocampal formation. Definition of what structures include in the hippocampal formation vary generally. It includes the hippocampus and adjacent federal hippocampal gyres. Also, gray matter present between the two called the innate gyrus, and it contains area called ethereal cortex and subcolumn, both involved in the flow of information through the hippocampus. The hippocampus can be subdivided areas, CA1 through CA4. After dissecting the brain and looking at the tissue level of the hippocampus, the result of the study showed this part of the hippocampus can be affected by decreasing its neuron present in this area, which disturb its function. The changes observed in the hippocampus neurons can bring about the signs and symptoms connected with headache, memory, and anxiety. Decrease the concentration, which make it difficulties in doing and understanding information that was given. Another study was performed on adult mice, and approximately the same method was used to test if phone radiation can affect the memory. And they used the Y maze, which is a simple maze used in animal cognition experiment to test memory function. After analyzing the result, they found there is no significant changes in the memory between the experimental and the control group. But they found that phone radiation can induce delayed hyperactivity. Attention deficient hyperactivity disorder affects children and teens and can grow into adulthood. ADHD is the most commonly diagnosed mental disorder of children. Children with ADHD may be hyperactive and unable to control their impulses, or they may have trouble paying attention. We can't just stop using our phones. But we can provide a simple precaution to reduce the level of radiation you absorb from using your phone. Compare with a traditional headphone whose speaker was fitting right inside the earbuds. Safe and radiation-free headphone own the advantage of isolation of magnetic field and radiation source thanks to the air tube design. Third hands keep the radiation away from your body while driving. Before sleeping, try to keep your phone away as much as possible to avoid any emitted radiation. In the end, try to talk, try to go out, try to have fun with your friends and family, enjoy the company of each other. Be safe. Until next time.